Oh, what's up? Wayne Barron here with my vlog, and well, still working on the Ranger. And the Ranger's running, I drive it around, does a really good job. But I got the high idle issue. I have not been able to figure out the high idle issue yet. Replaced the idle air control 3 times for the same part. And then I upgraded to the more expensive part, the American-made part, because I was told that the original part that came from AutoZone, the cheaper part, the reason why they have lifetime warranties on them, limited lifetime warranties on them, is because they're crap. I believe that to a point, because I bought the more expensive part for double the price, and it still didn't fix the friggin' idle problem. So that wasn't the problem. The throttle position sensor, I've replaced that. That wasn't the problem, so I took it back in and got my money back. And let's see here, mass airflow sensor's been replaced on it. The gas tank's been replaced on it. Now that fixed the issue that I had, which I'll have a video. Click on a link somewhere. So that got replaced. The fuel pump is brand new. The fuel filter is brand new. And I forgot what it's called. The part where the spark plugs plug into, that go out to your spark plugs. Spark plug cables plug into. I forgot what it's called, but I had the name of it somewhere. But that's been replaced. That's brand new. So a lot of the upper components on the truck are brand new. Still got the high idle issue. When that thing will rev up to almost 60 miles an hour is what the idle is sitting at when it gets at its highest peak. And it's doing that whenever I go to slow down and stop at a stop sign. I've heard that it's a possible air leak, and I can't find an air leak. And I don't have the extra money to go in and have somebody blow smoke up my ass. So what we're going to do is that my dad sent me a toggle switch and some wire. Okay, so might as well have him send it to me, since he had a bunch of it laying around, instead of me going out buying something that we've already got in the family, right? Anyway, we're going to split the wire on the auto control valve, and we're going to hook the wire up to it to where I can cut it on, cut it off. Because whenever I'm at a high idle, I can unplug the idle air, unplug it, and it drops it back to the normal idle. So after the truck warms up and I go to leave, I hit the switch to cut it off, and then it will cut off the auto air control. And then the only time that I would need to cut it back on is if I'm riding around in town. And so it'll be basically stoplight to stoplight if the idle jumps up. Until I can get it properly fixed, this is my best solution. So let's go ahead and get this thing started. Enough rambling. Okay. We are going to, we got 2 wires here. We got this big red one, we got the little white one. We don't have much wire to play around with. Now let's, I can get in here and cut this off. So, that's actually what we're going to do here. We're going to get in here and get this cut off. Okay, what we're going to do is that we're going to cut this wire right here so that we can connect onto it right there, and then we're going to strip it.
I'm sorry that I get in the way right here, but what I'm doing is that after I split the wires, I'm going in and I'm adding in the connector pieces, and I'm getting ready to crimp them right here.
Okay, that's got that part done. So now what we got to do is that we got to run this wire in through the firewall and then into the cab of the truck. So that's what we're getting ready to do now. So what we're going to do is that we're going to drill a hole into the firewall right up in here. So that's what the plan is. It seems like we got a hole right here. Yep. Okay, so what we're going to do now is that we're going to take this wire and we're going to get it unraveled here. But we don't need all this wire right here. What I'm doing is that I'm just bringing it all the way through, and then I'm going to cut it there and then strip it and go ahead and get them connected on the outside here. And that, my people, is our puppy Shandy running her mouth at something. Alright. Next thing we're going to do is on the inside, we're going to connect these up and then screw them onto here. So that's what we're going to do next. Okay, well what we need to do is that we need, I believe that's going to be long enough. I got to drill a hole right here, this out of the way. I got to drill a hole right here so that my toggle switch can both go right here. So we're going to drill it right here. That's probably not going to be the right size. I'd probably have to go grab a hold of my other bit. Oh, that is the right size. So, okay, we're going to get me a fly hit. I'm going to fill it. Okay, so go ahead and cut the wires the length that we need them, which is going to be about right up in here. Okay, so now go ahead and get them stripped. Not really sure if y'all can actually see what I'm doing, but I'm just putting these on the ends of the wire. Whenever you crimp them, you want to okay, so now go ahead and Okay, so now let's get this thing. Trying to make sure there wasn't going to be nothing in the way. Alright. And crank it up and give it a shot and see what happens.